Hi, I'm Ashley. I'm taking beginning acting at Yale-NUS this semester. Even though I've been involved in many productions in Yale-NUS, it's my first time really putting my passion and my skills into practice. I love that we're able to have a whole syllabus and structure because I feel that my learning is a lot more structured and I can learn the foundations of theatre really right from the beginning.
Almost every 2 weeks there's a new performance, so every 2 weeks we get new material. We're able to practice Stanislavski analysis and viewpoints, and then we get into actually performing for the rest of the class. Also, it's mind-blowing seeing how different people, how everybody in the class approaches material. Sometimes it's the same material and everyone just does it so differently and so uniquely, and so we end our week with a Friday night acting class, but sometimes it's a night of watching art and performances, and it's refreshing, it's relaxing, and I learn a lot from watching everybody else do their stuff. It's amazing.
I'm someone who's done a lot of acting, and this course, even though it's a beginning acting course, I think while still being incredibly accessible to anyone, it's definitely challenged me to think of my acting technique in a far more structured way, and really being like, it's not even about acting, it's really about thinking about what are the technicalities happening behind the scenes, right? Like, what's your objective? What's your focus? Like, who's your target? Like, really bringing it back down to the basics.
Yale-NUS is such an exciting and vibrant community. I really resonate with the broad-based approach to learning that characterizes the curriculum here, and I think that is foundational to my approach as an artist as well, creating interdisciplinary connections beyond music into other art forms and into other fields of study. That is what I hope to do in teaching as well, catering to diverse student interests, intellectual and musical backgrounds. I want to equip students with the conceptual, oral, and musical skills that they will need to engage with music at a deeper level and to journey with music for the rest of their lives.
My experience in it has been extremely exciting in the sense that I now sort of am able to grasp a lot of things in music theory that I've never been able to on my own, since I've always been a self-taught guitarist. Every class has been memorable in that sense because I'm learning something new. Our instructor really puts in a lot of effort to make sure that it's applicable to what we want to do in music.
We go through the foundations and the basics of music theory, covering things like key signatures, circle fifths, rhythm, tempo. So really understanding the basics of music. Even though I was classically trained in piano growing up, I still think this course, for me, is a great refresher for everything I've learned in the past, and really it allows me to explore and have fun with music in a low-stakes kind of way. Every week we also get to write little compositions, short pieces. The class is very practical in a way where we learn the theory aspects during the week, and over the weekend we put that into song. We write little pieces and really integrate what we've learned into these compositions, and then we share them with each other on Instagram, which I think is a very innovative way of really learning and growing together as a community.